Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about tips and tricks of most of the shortcut keys when makes your day productive at workplace or anywhere. It's good to know about this amazing tips and tricks which I'm gonna show you in this video. So please watch the video till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So let's have a look. Get started with the first shortcuts of Windows 10. It's Windows K. When you hit the Windows K, it will take you to the cast devices which is nearby. Let's say it's TV, or you have additional screen, or you want to cast any devices next to you. You can cast. It's like Miracast, or normally comes in mobile. It's the same, similar to that. So remember that Windows K. Okay, the second one is Windows L, which is lock your PC, right? Unlock, simply hit the enter button. If you have Face ID, it will open, or you need to again enter the password. The third one is Windows full stop, where it will take you to the emojis or GIF, and more. So Windows full stop, which is helpful to just react your emotions or something when you're typing. The next one is Windows A, which will take you to the action button, where you can see here Windows A. When if you go take your mouse here, or simply you click here, or shortcut button Windows A for the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, energy saver, accessibility. You can do pretty much everything. Now, if I talk about the accessibility, there is a shortcut button for that as well, which is Windows U, where it will take you to the accessibility directly, right? Windows I, it will take you to the settings. Okay, now next one is Windows R, which everyone knows, where Windows R is to search pretty much everything when you key in, and it will come up. Okay, so that's Windows R. And then next is Windows V. Windows V is pretty much, as I showed you before, that Windows full stop, where if you put that emojis one, and or simply you go with the mouse in clipboard history, it will take you to the Windows V. So if you hit the Windows V either, or go in emojis, it's a simply same thing, right? Where simply as in Android mobile, it comes the clipboard, right? Where whatever you copied and uh, from anything, from your device, it just come here. So simply you can hit the Windows V, and then it pop up here the last copied text or numbers, and then you can simply paste it to anywhere. The next button for me, which I want to show you, is Windows magnifier. So Windows plus, and the magnifier open, right? Where you can see here, or simply you can just say Windows minus and plus, where it zoom up and zoom down, or simply hit the button here, where it will take you to the plus and minus, or plus or fit to main screen, whichever you like it. So that's how the magnifier works. Or what you can do is to exit as well. What I'm gonna do, Windows plus for the magnifier, as I showed you before. Okay, to exit that, just simply hit the Windows escape button, and you just exit completely out of it, so it's not running in background as well. So that helps a lot too. To switch between the apps, it's Alt tab, as you know as well. When you press the Alt tab, it will show you whatever tab is open. Let's say I'm going to open something, let's say Explorer, and let's say I'm going to open the Google Chrome, right? So that's the two different sites I open. Now if I hit Alt tab, it will take you to select whichever you want to add on, right? Or whichever you want to work on that, right? Or one more thing I'll show you is that when you When you come here, it will show you the different dialog box of split screens. Okay, there are shortcuts for that as well. If you don't want to come here and do that, okay, the shortcut is simply windows and your four arrows in your keyboard: left, uh, right, up, down. Yeah, or you can open the different tab here which split your screen, right? When you simply hit the button alter space, it will take you, if you want to close, minimize, maximize, whatever you want. If you want to close, just do close. Again, windows, arrow, and you can maximize the screen again or revert back again, so this is a cool feature too. Okay, so yeah, that's a main feature. One more thing I'm gonna highlight here is that it's a new tab, right? For the new tab, you can simply hit the button Ctrl T, where it will open multiple of tabs. If you want to close those, Ctrl W, Ctrl T, Ctrl W, Ctrl T, right? Now, now I know, like, it is Ctrl T and Ctrl W. What if you want to switch in between tabs? So simply is that you can do alter arrows left or right, or switch, sorry, if you want to switch, control tab, or if you don't want to do control tab, there is a one more option which is page up and page down. Sometimes it works too. Page up, page down, simply control tab, page up, page down, right? uh, what One more thing I want to highlight is, let's say I am closing these bars, right? Control W. Now I want to revert back. Okay, like, let's say I want to go back or go forward. Simply you can just say alter arrows. You see, back, forward, back, forward. So if I type something here, let's say, and if I want to go back to my main screen, I just say alter back, alter forward. Did you get it now? Okay, so amazing feature here as well. Simply what I can do, as you may know, one more thing is shift delete, to delete without recycle, which is like, let's say I'm gonna delete something here, right? If I want to delete anything, let's say I want to delete this, right? So if you hit the delete button, it will go to recycle bin, where you can see stuff here, and then what you have to delete from there too, right? Simply there is a shortcut key where it won't go to recycle bin and delete automatically from whole computer, right? So that key is when you select these, okay, shift delete, and it will ask you, are you sure that you want to permanently delete this file? And you can simply press enter for yes. That's it, and it's not here now. Nothing's gonna come here. This is my old file, that's why. So yeah, that's the shortcut key for that. Now what I want to show you is Windows X, where you can simply can see everything. Let's say if I want to go to system, okay, if you go to system, it will take you directly to the system of the computer, where it will show you what is system or configuration of my Surface Go 3, 8 GB RAM, 1 and 2. It comes everything, all details. This is the shortcut for if you want to go and hit the button quickly. If someone is ask you, what is the configuration of the laptop, or what's your processor, what's the RAM, everything, it comes here. Or you can rename the PC You can pretty much do everything here. How cool is that? Good. So this is the one example I show you. If I hit again Windows X, it will take you to again the screen where you can see File Explorer, run, shut down, sign out, or come back to desktop. Okay, so let's say I will try disk management and only with the task manager. If you go in there, it will take you to the how your task manager works, where it's gonna show you how is your CPU, memory, disk, and network uh, uploading or receiving the data. Okay, where you can see the memory, CPU, disk, everything, how it goes and how is it working, right? Pretty much everything. What's the speed of that, you know? Yeah, it's simple. The shortcut key for that one which I just showed you is it maybe control delete, and then it will take you to the task manager. But this is simple. When you hit the Windows X, it will take you to pretty much, you can do everything: settings, search, run, shut down, and sign out or desktop. That's it. So Windows X, remember. Windows T is a cycle through the apps. So let's say I'm gonna go again here, right? And I'm gonna type, maybe I'm gonna open new tab here, maybe I'm gonna say Control T for new tab, right? So that's the Control T to increase your tabs, Control W to close, right? Control tab to switch. Remember that, okay? Now I'm gonna show you something which is new completely. uh, it's called windows and numbers. As you can see, the 1 to 9 numbers, when you hit Windows 1, right, it will take you to the Copilot. As you can see in my taskbar, um, Windows 1, so first is Copilot, which open Copilot. Windows 2, it will open the one not, because in my taskbar is on second position, you know. Windows 3 is for Internet Explorer, which is already open. Okay, so and then control tab, alt tab to switch in between, or you want to cancel, simply delete, delete. So remember that button as I showed you. Okay, uh, it's so easy. Windows 1 to 9 button. Okay, for the tab on taskbar to switch between. Okay, now let me show you again. Let's open Windows Explorer, right? And then as we know how to switch, how to increase your tab, how to delete with the Control W and all. um, let's say I'm gonna open something. Let's say I'm gonna open map or something right here. And so after opening map, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this tab and I want to revert back. Okay, so let's say you currently working on this map right now. Okay, and then after finish work, or all of a sudden it just shut down. Like let's say I by mistake I close it, right? I want to go back onto that map. Simply hit Ctrl Shift T. Once you hit that, it will take you to the same position. So it's basically work as undo and redo. Yeah, undo and redo. Okay, so this is cool feature. So Control Shift T, remember that. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go again in Microsoft Edge, where you can see Control H. It will take you to the history. Okay, alter spacebar, where it will take you to the it will take you to the settings, where you can minimize, open new tab, where also you can see Control T, Control Shift T, a shortcut key on the side as well, you know. Yeah, which is helpful. Or simply hit Alt 4 to close, you know. Windows D is basically work as minimize, maximize, but this is the shortcut button for that. And if you want to open file explorer, let's say Windows E, it's gonna take you to the documents, download or recent favorite or shared files and all, right? Where um, you can do shortcut here as well without mouse. How? Let's say it's like functional button. Okay, so if you say F1 or F2, sorry, it's F2, F3 in search. As you can see, you can search any file here. So that's F3, F4, F4. It will take you here where you can type here too. F5 is a refresh button where it refresh whole screen. F6, it will take you to the folder pane where you can switch up and down arrow, right? So how cool and amazing it is, isn't it? But let's say I'm gonna show you something here. When I click here, and if you want to rename of this micro sheet worksheet, right, you just simply hit the uh, sorry, if you want to rename that, you just simply hit sorry, I'll just go out from here. Or if you want to rename, let's say I'm gonna rename this folder, you just simply hit F2 button and you can do straight away from there, right? Is it amazing? And then if you want to press or go to property or what size of file, or pretty much if you want to know anything about that, hit the alter spacebar, right? Or alter enter will take you to the files, all the what size of file or photos or system previous version, or you can customize anything, change icon or um, choose file or anything, which is cool too, right? So that's a cool feature as well. Now I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot and all, right? Where you have print screen button, right? When you press that, it will come up. Otherwise you have Windows Shift S, right? Where you it open this, that's it, simply. Where you can take a screenshot, record a video, or take a snip, anything. If you are working somewhere and if you want to take a snip of something and email to someone, it's so useful for that as well. Or take a screenshot, simply send it to any mobile, any device. It's so helpful. uh, what I'm gonna do is, uh, the next one I'm gonna show you Windows tab. So pretty much I have covered everything here. And there is one more key, is the Windows C. Windows C is, I think, for the Bluetooth device and everything. It just open that as well, so you can use that. And Windows G, if you play a game on your device or something, it will come up the game menu and all. If you're playing game controller or take a photos or whatever, yeah, so it will take you to the gaming experience, the whole new experience. If you want to see, press escape to exit. The next is Windows I, is for setting, as I already showed you, right? Yeah, so pretty much I have covered everything. If you know some more tips and tricks, or if you know something to add, just please do comment, and maybe I can learn from you as well. So that's the amazing feature I showed you. If I missed out anything, please do comment, and please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. um, I'm helping you guys to learn and share knowledge, whatever I know. And if you have something to share, please uh, write it down in comments. So that helps to me as well. And thank you for watching the video. Okay, I'm gonna make amazing videos like these in future too, and hopefully you stay safe. Okay, um, and yeah, thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.